Maras Piru Sopati, Chilchikon Kubja, Kubjuko Sumnolia, Tinti Tundula, Zoborjuve, and Piru Lobu Jude and Dejalia, Uzukshu San Jose, Genejalia, Danda Nidon, Gevadolia, Lotjongeringia, Maranzu Lubuk de Zolom, Lorelia, that Lubuk Chamanchman Chingelia, Tandechali in Bimben, Nilutu, Gad Dunjudes, Tindegi, Tomi Chade, Marazo Dea, Maras Sanelia. Marazu Lobsang Sholia, any Pemiri Zadun Chidun, Legu, Cheddar Chungsum, Tindesses, Loreya, Manzo any Leguicho, major project, Danaji, Legu Chungadaya, minor activities, Tindet, and a Rangi Jijogi, social Lobsang Show, the Desert Pesha, Desert David.
Free Tibet. We start with His Holiness the Dalai Lama's birthday and a freshers party on the beaches of Mahabalipuram. This tradition has been going on for more than 15 years in Chennai. The freshers are initiated and welcomed as a Tibetan in Chennai. We are one family forever. Party's over, we get down to our main cause, Tibet. Every year, we try to do various little projects as per our limited resources and capabilities. Most weekends, students get together in general body meetings to try and formulate plans.
I'm very happy that the students are yet into it, still holding on to the culture very strongly. A culture that is expressed mostly all over the world through the songs and our music. Such a rich culture, I think, the Tibet has, and we have no right to kill it.
_21st to 23rd September 2007. Rangzang means freedom. Rangzang Rolling Trophy was primarily opened and organized by our Auntie Reddy and Sam in 2004. As the age progressed, the number of students' participation had been increasing. It is holding its 4th consecutive tournament this year among Tibetan college students. The prime objective behind this tournament is to unite and maintain interaction and relations among scattered Tibetan students in and around Indian colleges.
I wish all of you all, and as you know, the Indian culture and the Tibetan culture, our values are very, very common, very, very similar. And the same way, peacefully, how Mahatma Gandhi fought for his freedom is the similar way in which you people here and you people here, assembled here are, fighting for the freedom. I assure you that, whatever we persevere, whatever, we do with all sincerity, with all our efforts, will definitely be successful. So never ever, even for a moment, think that we will not be successful in whatever we plan or dream to do. I wish all of you assembled over here today all the very best in your life. You will definitely, and a very, very pleasant stay here in India, here in Chennai. So wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Today I'm doing something slightly different. I wish to give a little gift to Asha to show my appreciation of the work that she's been putting into this cause.
Team participation are Bangalore, Mysore, Baroda, Hyderabad, Ooty, Trichy and Chennai. Enram's misleading reality. Sam held a peaceful demonstration against editor of a major English language newspaper, The Hindu, protesting against publishing what they called was a series of misleading articles. This was later reported by the Statesman News series. Sam countered it with a statement on the Reality Tibet, which they said the editor, Mr. Enram, had failed to see. We 160 students from various colleges in and around Chennai, under the banner of Sam, put up posters and banners where we demonstrate, asking the editor to, in quotes, please open your eyes. The articles dated 3rd and 5th July 2007 and Frontline 27th July 2007. Cover story on Future Tibet by Mr. N. Ram glorifies China's occupation of Tibet and conveniently alluding to address the real issues of unemployment, basic human rights, and civil and political rights. The conclusion drawn from his recent visit to Tibet for a reality check done over visiting the selected urban areas and reading over statistics shown by the Chinese within 6 days remains highly misleading to the misinformed readers that we Sam have come up to correct it. Visit by the Rinpoche. Khangsar Rinpoche addressed the Tsam members while he was in the city on 17th November 2007. He spoke on the relationship between science and Buddhism, which has become the most eye-catching topic nowadays. Besides the systematized teaching, he also made sure to clarify the doubts of the students regarding the topic and others. It's great to have some seminars like this once in a while, since it helps in enriching our spiritual beliefs. We look forward to many more of such addresses.
Tibetan people, my message is that and nobody can take away our home. Nobody can rob our home. And if we are there today or if we are there tomorrow, the home is there for us. Nobody can deny that. It's a truth. Yes, sir. And there is a natural justice, and if we are not able to get this land back by the might of the military and via armed conflict, but we will have this by a law of nature, and this can defy that law of nature, and not even China.
Nobel Peace Prize Day. Like every year on 10th December, all the Tibetans in Chennai gathered once again to celebrate this extraordinary day. 18 years before, on this particular day, our spiritual leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace and his non-violent struggle for his people. Ever since, we have been celebrating the day the most joyously, as we do after offering Kathak. We started the day with prayers and then entertainments, which made the gathering all the more eventful. The International Fine Arts Music Festival was held by Madras University, and we got the opportunity to perform our cultural dance on 10th December. We performed 2 dances, a group song and few solos. So, we are happy to say that the dancers, singers and musicians did their best. The audience, professors and students were very happy to see our show and promised to call us again to do our best. We are proud to say that the students used the rare opportunity with their best, and they succeeded in proving the richness of our culture.
지난해다 롭주스나 칼레스나 지난해다 단다 롭체신베게 슝게 상만다 마음베게 선다 임비 좀되는 때 장고름 지 공신나신다 롭중의 후대자 티잔마세베 가르치는데 단 롭중 체험하면서 표지베든들 레벨 비디오도 개진 내가 배통도 가르치는 장고름 지 가르치면 된다 티잔입니다 슝게에서 마음베 주빈신 얘기 진행 민의 개진시 레슨 숨비 내가 지레선도 가르치나 김세 가르치는 도서는 지난해 계급 가지고 식 주빈 진행에 쪼디 슝게인들은 매드명으로 왔디 나중에 롭중 체험을 디차도 디네 가르치는 분들은 지난 장고름지다 당연히 삼동름지 승문내시 답변은 아주 뎁션이 된 게 슝게바지 차도 뎁션이 된 그래서라고 저는 지난 게 비백이 수준이 내 예대죠 당연히 딘득이 시대 딘득이 시 예된 적인 슝게된 게 차이는 배전나오는 레인
안전에 먼저 단도로 인선의 보통 중에 많고지 사통 중에 직전에 얼마 방해도 시기도 김자 강에서는 컨트롤 중에 되겠지만 나서 레고 강의 내지나 지수 숙제 실행이 되기를 된 선발에 단다 포스트 그레이지트 단다 로림 적게 봐 준비 못하는 중에 되다 정어 못하는 중에 되게 유지 되게 야네 아니게 다 소리 친이도 지nem도 년도 가려서는 그냥 참나 쇼부까지 스스로 중에 가르간도 나서 레글이나 야우스를 주시나서 제자들이 된데서 말이야 안 참나마 전조 외갑들이야 안 참데 선바야 샤시제 아니 이마 소소 참 초고 신주리나 내가 쉬우 쉬는 신게 다들 쉬어볼 저기 뭐 요즘 봐야 초고 쳐서 되리 아니 그것을 제도스를 된적이 등도지기 토네 한 내가 시 아무 한 번야 쉬운게 이제 차비네 개개는 이제 차비네 라백하기 개개도 차비네 저수수 장군님 같이 원시다 제제 내가 제도는 야우사요 선무도 하나는 장군님 같이다 공대 제제 디그 말이야 개미네 장군님 같이 공도 보이대요 점링 출연할 때문에 베베기 내던데 장군은 무슨 내등 조직이다 차로지래 근데 선발이야다 장군은 무슨 매백값 조직이다 장군은 무슨 예배관서 담이네 장군은 무슨 차에지 털로 차에기 나가도 좀 아주 이게 세토이나 아까도 장군은 무슨 야한테 매백값을 내 캐비네 베베기 나가도 베베 세토스에서 김사카가서는 베베 내던데 비미사야 쪽이 내던지 미래기 내던지 계급도 전부 저기 장군은 무슨 미치 내던지 개말에
참마 켄세라 참래데 슝데 마임베 초바시레스 아니 안다 온주 캡산다 카르부지 요마레스 노온주 리그 카르베나 리그디 고 벤조 메나 페메시 비칸니도스 한다 보도 온주 벤조 자하 페미 강자다 페 야나 요 페미 된다 인치 개가 페미 온디기 신데 나게 온디라니 온주기 리그 카르데라 리그 페토스라 페니 페찬 예자 온주 이동 뒤나 다람살라 온주 벽이 짜된다 데베 온주 파르기 딤드나레스 onde par dem na onde na onde be na shinde na pe shinde na onde tonda ngap chung ngap yes rados onde na onde ba mase konsa anda nyeja ya konsa jo mon body la phe konsa chogi ti kawana sungje na ngap di konsa chogi onde ga onde yang goni onde 비료 소바 연주 참 비료 소바 연주 온 빠르다 슝대다 제베 랑제다 제 빠르 딤드나 온디나 온주 동다 시주 신이스라주라 아니 한다 온주 레규 카르페만 베 상마 안데 신데 랑이 토니데스 온주 캡상으로다 데데 요 말이자 데데 손다니 한다 참 레규 에네 베게 신데라는 온지 에니 레가 온주 레가 이네 야고 치도도스 온 레규 카르 온 키시 벤조메나 온 레규 카르페나 온 페마시 비카니도스 이런 맛에 달로니 먼저 딩이 어 신대군이 비밀도 야분나서 비밀좀 나나 비밀 참말 참 연주 참비다 참기 정리 상황이 참준 비밀들도 테스트를 투시 쉬어야지라
Bangalore from Vellore and walked from there till Chennai. They started the march from 10th December and reached Chennai on 29th December. We end up the final day of the march on 31st near Marina Beach. The members of Tsering gathered together at Marina Beach to protest against the injustice and brutalities faced by their counterparts in Tibet. The core driving force for these youth remain their vision for one world, one dream, and free Tibet. Coming at a close to this presentation, we the people of Tibet wish, hope, and pray that His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama lives forever in a free Tibet, and peace prevails on earth always.